Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, power lift gate, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.